get a video. I'm gonna. I don't know what to do.
Happen? You just gotta hit up.
No,
Yes.
Look at how awful.
You know what we learned in the Golf Channel is mimic the angle.
Yeah. Go, you
Shit.
can do it. You can
Mimic
do
the
it.
angle. Like,
You can do it.
lean to your right.
You can do
You want it to go up. So lean to your right.
Oh,
Don't fall down.
I slipped off the
I
thing.
mean, even if I get it out and it goes back down there, it's a success.
We got people behind
But
us.
lean to your right as far as you can.
You can do it.
Oh man!
Where is
He didn't hit the ball.
I didn't.
Where is it? Oh. There you go.
That's actually what I wanted to do.
Probably better now.
What I did.
It's okay.
I get out of the way. I just careful.
Oh,
Ooh. Okay.
so if I fell down
We're
the thing.
Okay, we'll get it.
Oh, nice.